तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो आ गए हैं हम एक और वीडियो के साथ, जिसके अंदर एक और स्टूडेंट मेरे साथ ज्वाइन होने वाला है, जिसका नाम है पीयू। देखते हैं वो कैसा बोलेगी। तो आपको भी चेक करना है कि वो कैसा बोल रही है, क्योंकि मिस्टेक्स सबके साथ होती है। मिस्टेक्स आर प्रूफ दैट यू आर ट्राइंग। लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट द वीडियो। हेलो,
Hello,
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. How are you?
आई एम गुड।
What's your name?
You do not know my name?
Yeah.
So why are you asking?
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Why do you like science subject?
Because science is a subject in which you can do real life experiments. Okay, like you can learn a lot of things from science, and science is, you can say, a real life. I can give you example of science. We know we have visited to moon. हम moon पे जा चुके हैं. Yes. So what is the reason behind it? Cause of science. हम science की वजह से moon पे गए थे ना. So science is something, a real life experiment, and we enjoy science while learning. हम पढ़ते पढ़ते enjoy science को enjoy करते हैं. I hope you also enjoy science.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a person who is successful from all the sides. जो हर तरीके से successful हो. I don't want to be engineer. I don't want to be doctor. I don't want to be any profession. But I want to be a successful person, whether it's doctor, engineer, and teacher.
But why do you want to be a successful person?
Because if you are successful from all the sides, so you can do anything in your life. If you like, suppose if you want to go for wandering to America, so can you go right now?
No.
You can't go. Yes. So suppose you are successful, you are big, and you have a lot of things. You have a lot of money. So then you can go or not?
No, I can't.
उस टाइम नहीं जा पाओगे आप. Fine.
I can go.
Then you can go ना, क्योंकि आपके पास बहुत सारा पैसा आ जाएगा.
Do you which is your favorite animal?
थोड़ा तो आगे आओ भैया. उधर देखो. हाँ, अब बोलो.
Which is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog. I like a lot. But somewhere I like rat also. चूहे. छोटे वाले.
Why do you like rats?
Because the rat which is in white in color. Which is white in color. That is, you can say, domestic pet कह सकते हैं, पाल सकते हैं उसको. Yes.
Do you have any cousins?
I have a lot of cousins. I think we are 8, including me.
But why do you want to go to Kedarnath?
I want to go Kedarnath because the Kedarnath is the place which is very, you can say, peace. जहाँ आपको peace मिल सकता है. You will resolve your all solutions. You will resolve your all, you can say, bad habits or your all problems there. Okay. In Kedarnath we find Lord Shiva. Okay. Then you can go there and worship to Lord Shiva, and you can also feel the peaceful environment, and you can say you will feel enthusiasm. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine. In which class do you read?
I study in the 4th class.
In 4th class.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like to go in 5th class?
Yes, I like to go in 5th class.
Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. But I heard from somewhere that your favorite subject is mathematics.
Yeah, I love maths and English because maths is very very easy
Okay.
and English is a perfect subject for children, and if you don't know English, you will you
Yes.
can't do anything in your future.
Yes. Nice. So why are you learning English right now?
Because I know little bit English only.
Okay, that's why you're learning English.
Yeah.
Okay, for your future it is good or not?
It's good for my future and for my family too.
Okay. So in your families, is there anyone who speaks English?
No.
No one speaks? Can you speak?
Yes.
Are you speaking?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So, which kind of changes have you seen in yourself?
I have seen some changes like I am writing. I can't say words like peaceful. I don't know words like tomorrow, peaceful, favorite. That way.
Now you know everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Did you get any kind of confidence to
No.
speak?
Yes, I got little bit confident
Okay.
to speak English.
ठीक है. So, do you have any question?
No.
तो गाइज ये थी एक और कन्वर्सेशन. तो ये है हमारी पीयू. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बोला. ठीक है. सबने अच्छा बोला और मैंने बहुत अच्छा बोला मुझे लगता है. ठीक है. तो मिस्टेक सबके साथ होती है. मिस्टेक्स आर फॉर ग्रेजुअल ट्राइंग. मैंने वीडियो के पहले बोल दिया था ये चीज़ को. ठीक है. तो देखो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करने वाली बात अलग है. मैं YouTube पे वीडियो इसलिए नहीं डाल रहा कि मुझे लोग लाइक करें सब्सक्राइब करें शेयर करें. बट मैं इसलिए डाल रहा हूँ कि मेरी मेमोरीज बनती रहे. समझ रहे हो. मेरे को अपनी मेमोरीज को क्रिएट करना है. चाहे वो मेमोरीज कैसे भी क्रिएट हो. ठीक है. अब 3 साल पहले मुझे उठा के देखोगे ना तो मैं कुछ और था. अब मैं कुछ और हूँ. ठीक है. तो मेमोरीज क्रिएट करना सीखो. ठीक है. आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
Like, subscribe and share.
देखो ये आप लोग बोलोगे ये मैंने सिखाया. मैंने कुछ नहीं सिखाया. ठीक है. आपको करना है तो करो. नहीं करना तो मत करो. आई एम क्रिएटिंग माई ओन मेमोरीज. ठीक है. तो मिलते हैं किसी नए वीडियो में किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ. जब तक जय हिंद
जय भारत.
जय भारत.